activity. They have a leadership meeting. So during the meeting, I create a vision board. So in our recent reflection activity, I create my personal vision board, and it turned out to be more than just a list of goals. It's become a reminder of who I am becoming. So as I mapped out of my personal leadership goals, and I realized how important it is to stay grounded and while aiming high, balancing the academic with the personal growth and building the confidence and learning to lead and with the empathy, each goal for the reflect and the kind of person and the leader I want to grow into. What stood out of the out setting the clear intention, bring the focus and calm. When I visualize my goal, whether it's improving the communication, supporting my team, or nurturing and growth my mindset, it's reminded me that progress it's built one intentional step at a time. Leadership for me begins with the self awareness. When we align our action with our values, empathy, honesty, teamwork, and the growth, we don't just chase the success, we create the meaning. So, heartfelt thank you for IYP for inspiring as a reflect to grow my lead and purpose. So, this is my vision board.